Yes, hello. My name I'm called Morris, the Crochet Master, and today I have something very small I would like to share with you. Yeah, I'm going to be plaiting extended crochets. Like we've been plaiting them in a box format, like plait them in a box format, but today I want to plait it in the crochet format, so that people with long hair, like very long hair, you can have a chance of plaiting these kind of braids. Yeah, even if no matter how short you want them, even if you want 2 inches, yeah, and you can do it. But even if you want 2 inches, still you can do it, and it comes out nicely. So I chose this kind of style. Like I want people with long hair, like also to have that chance of getting a chance plaiting that short hair, because most of the time it's hard for them to plait short hair. So this is how I'm doing this. Oh yeah. Yeah, just like that. Like so I'm doing my blow drying. Like when I'm done with the blow drying, this time I chose to do the cornrows going behind. You know why? It's because like when the cornrows are going behind, I'm not going to use a lot of braids on someone's head. And another thing, like it's very hard. I wouldn't want to teach you to do a puff swatch, though the puff swatch is nice, but when imagine like her hair is very long, so when you're doing the puff swatch, that means in the middle where that puff is going to end, there's going to be a big there's a big thing that is going to happen there. So to make it very nice and simple, I'm doing the swatch going behind, as you can see. And I told you, like here the hair zipper, we work as a team. Some of my students, they do them, so that I just come and I show them how we can install it. So this is how the swatch is, and when I'm done, I'm going to use the braiding. As you can see how my braids are. Yes, the extended braids is what I'm going to use. It's very soft, you can't imagine. So this is my crochet as usual, and when I'm doing it, I'm going to show you how you can crochet. Please make sure you use that thumb of yours. It's very nice to use it whenever you're crocheting. So when you're done putting, you separate them into 3 portions, like the way you can see here. That is 1, 2, then 3. After it's when I start braiding. So it's very important, just like that. Yes, that's how braid it. And when you're braiding it, you can choose to make it very hard, but though it's not necessary, because our hair is already inside, it's already plaited. So this one, even if you make it very soft, still there's no any problem even if you make it very soft. So the only thing is excuse me, the only thing is you have to make it neat. Yes, that's the only thing. Excuse me, that's the only thing. You just have to make it neat. So you see, now I'm trying to put for my students also, because when we are learning here on the YouTube channel, so there are those people that I be with at the salon that I always want to teach. So I'm teaching here as also you're also learning. So here I'm putting for them so that they come and finish the braiding. So I want you to follow each step when it's done, you will tell that you can plait short hair even if you have long hair. And this is how it is. Yes, so these are my students, and I'm trying to show them how they can do it very perfectly. Like, they should make the braiding very soft, parting into 3 portion, then and you start plaiting. But this time we are going to do it very soft. You're not going to do it hard. As you can see, you're doing it very soft. So keep on subscribing the Hair Zipper YouTube channel, and you can tell a friend, so that we can do this together. If you have any question that you would want to tell me about the plaiting, please make sure you tell me. I'm there for you.
So light as a tango on the head, easy to maintain. You can hold the path and move around so free. Yeah, so styleable, portable, ever available. I know you like hair, so come get the zipper curl, 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 the zipper curl. Yeah, so styleable, portable, ever available. I know you like hair, so come get the zipper curl, the zipper curl, the zipper curl.
So like when I'm done here, please, trimming is very good. Excuse me, like trimming is very, very nice. Have trim so that your braids look very neat and nice. So this is it. You can see how like I was telling you that you can make your own crochets. So imagine like she wanted even shorter than that, we would have done it. So someone with long hair, don't get scared. The answer, the solution is here for you. Keep subscribing the YouTube channel. I promise, like, at least you're going to have you're going to learn different types of hairstyles. So this is it.
Yeah.